Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC. Before starting, you should make sure to already to have the MEXC website available on your region or whatever device that you are using. So yeah, once you make sure, you will just have to log into your account, and of course, make sure that your credentials are correct so that you will be able to successfully log in. And once you've logged in, you should see the wallet feature here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. And once you see that, you will just have to click deposit and then click USDT and select the correct network and copy your deposit address. Then you will open your Bitget, and here you should see the assets area. So you will just have to click that and click withdraw and then USDT. Then you will paste the MEXC deposit address and then select the matching network, and then you will just have to enter the amount and confirm the transaction fees and complete 2FA. Click submit and monitor the transaction, and after the blockchain confirmation, the USDT will appear in your MEXC wallet. And yeah, by the way, using the wrong network can cause loss, so always check addresses and networks carefully. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.